Virus and threat protection not opening? Windows security not responding? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quick and easy fixing to get it working again. Let's get started. First, search for CMD. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now, type SFC/SC/ANNOW and press Enter. This will scan and fix system file issues. Just wait for it to complete. Next, type dism.x/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth and press Enter. Let it run and fix any corrupted system files. Once it's done, close CMD. Now, right-click on the Windows Start button and restart your PC. Once restarted, right-click the Start button again and open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then click Windows Security. Now, click Virus and Threat Protection. Manage Settings. And there you go. Virus and Threat Protection should now be working fine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.